Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept a string S and print the number of ways to split the string S into two parts so that the number of unique characters in them are equal. Now let us consider our first test case. Now in this test case, the string S is given as input. So first we have to split the string. So the first string will be A and the second one will be AC and the remaining string. Third one will be ACA and the remaining string. Fourth one ACAD. Fifth one ACADD. Sixth one ACADDA. Seventh one ACADDAB. Eighth one ACADDABA. Finally, we have split the string. Now, after splitting the string, we have to see the unique characters in every string. So in the first string, the unique characters are 1, and in the second split it is 4. Now for the second string, the unique characters are, in the first string it is 2, and in the second it is 4. Now in the third string, the unique characters are, in the first string is 2, A and C, and in the second string it is 4. So 2 comma 4. And in the next string, the unique characters in the first string are 3, and in the second string also it is 4. And in the next string, the unique characters are 3 in the first string, in the second string also 3. And in the next string, the unique characters in the first string are 3 ACD, and in the second string also 3 ABC. In the next string, the unique characters are 4 and 2 in the second string. And in the final string, the unique characters are 4 and 1. Now after finding unique characters in each string, there are two strings having same number of unique characters. So the count of strings should be printed as our output. So this is a string having unique character 3, and this string also. So the number of count is 2. So 2 will be printed as our output. Now let us check for our second test case. Now let us split this string. The first string will be this, second one 2s, and third one 3s, fourth one 4s, fifth one 5s. Now the number of common characters in this string are 1, and in the second string also 1. So because S is only present. So in the second string also 1 and 1. Third string also 1 and 1. Fourth one also 1 and 1. And finally fifth one also 1 and 1. So the count of strings having same number of unique characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 strings are having unique number of characters. So 5 will be printed as our output. Let us see the pseudocode for solving this program. First we have to accept the string S as input string, and let us have a variable called count and initialize it to 0. Now let us run a for loop for CTR in range 1 to CTR of len of S if len of set of S of CTR equal to the first one is nothing but the first substring len of set of S of in the first one we have to print up to 0 to CTR, and in the next substring you have to print from CTR to the last. Now we are checking whether both the submatrices are same. Whether both the substrings are same. So if they are same means second substrings. If they are same means we have to increment the count value by 1. Now after incrementing the count value, and finally we have to print the count as our output. So print count. In this program, first we are accepting the input string and assigning a variable count and initializing to 0 for CTR in range 1 to len of S. If len of set of S of 0 to CTR is equal to len of set of from CTR to the last, if both the substrings are same means we are incrementing the count value by 1, and after incrementing finally at the end of this for loop we are printing the count value.